first of all, I would like to ask something about Thai people learning English here. So there are many skills. We have four skills, you see, that we can learn languages. When we learn languages, we have to use four skills, right? So there are speaking and writing, yeah, and listening, and the last one is reading. So can you tell me what you think Thai people start learning English?
Writing. Reading.
You think writing? Reading? How about you guys? Listening? Speaking? Wow, Thai people can speak English so well. Yeah, well, different opinions, that's okay. Just give me your ideas, okay? That's all right. Yeah, we might wonder, what is it that we start in Thailand, how we learn English? Okay, and now let's talk about what we should really learn. If you think about how a human is me and you and a baby, okay, human. So if a human learns a language, let's say Thai. When we learn Thai, when we were very young, what skill did we start?
Listening.
Very good, yes. We listened, right? We listened. So the first skill for a human to learn languages effectively is to listen first. And then, what do we do after listening?
Speaking.
Very good, that's right. And then we do speaking, right? And after that, we grow up a bit, and then what do we do?
Reading.
Yeah, reading, and the last one is writing. Exactly. This is actually a correct step that we should learn a language. You see? But you just said to me, now that Thai people learn English not according to these steps, right? We did reading first, and then we did writing. Do we listen? No, we don't listen. We don't want to listen. Yeah, so if talking about a human, like in a natural learning environment, we do listen, speak, reading, yeah, we read and then we write, okay? So today we're going to talk about these four skills, how we can improve our learning English environment. Now, let's think of a little baby. It's called, when you have little baby like this, it's called an infant, okay, infant. So if you think of an infant, he does the first skill with listening, really, yes. We will have an example of a baby, okay? A happy baby learning languages, all right? Oops, sorry, he doesn't look happy. I'm very sorry. I think I have more happy babies. Sorry about that. Okay, I think the next one would be a happy, this one, okay? Oh, sorry about that. He's not happy learning languages, eh? No, not this one. Not a good example. Not a good example. I'm sure I put a happy baby in my slides. This last one, I think he is. Oh no! I'm pretty sure this one, you see, he's happy, yeah? Yeah, he's ready to learn. Look at that. I'm ready to learn. Are you ready to learn?
Yes.
Wow, you look exactly like this baby then. How nice, very nice. Okay, so if we think of a baby listening, okay? Even though the baby can't speak yet, he listens and he wants to listen, right? And if you imagine, okay, like a mother and a baby, a mother and a baby. A mother is talking, but the baby is listening, right? And there is actually one step that a baby does, okay? What is it? We will find out. Before a baby speaks, a baby does something before speaking. What is it? Okay? So if, let's imagine, the mother says, water, and then look at the baby, water, water, you see? And then the baby goes, water, the baby goes, oh, like that. So he can speak at the beginning or not? No, he can't speak yet. He can't, even with easy words like water, you know? But he goes, many mistakes. He does many mistakes, right? Before he can get the word water, yeah? And now, the mother is doing something to make the baby react, okay? The mother says water, but the baby doesn't speak. We know the baby doesn't speak yet. But what does he do? What does the baby do? I have 3 choices for you to choose, okay? The mother wants the baby to smile. B, the mother wants the baby to dance when she says water. Or the mother wants the baby to copy. What do you think?
Copy.
Mother wants the baby just to copy. Just copy.